Good morning, Mike Ehrlich from beautiful Lighthouse Point, Florida. I want to take you aboard this 2015 Sea Ray 370 Venture. Starting at the front with the polished stainless steel anchor, windlass, bow speakers. There is a bow pad, but he keeps it inside the house so the sun doesn't eat it. Hull's in nice shape. Added a custom front bimini, which is pretty awesome. I've never seen that on a Venture before. It fits the look and it's practical. The Venture's noted for its hidden outboard engines. Twin 300 horsepower Mercuries with 210 hours. Joystick steering. There's a shower when you come in. A big extended platform on the boat. The back seats will swing out to make big sun pads there. You have an upper galley. That's a single burner induction cooktop, as well as a Kenyan grill with a stainless steel isotherm refrigerator. Right next to that, stainless steel sink. Nice dinette to port. He keeps the table cover. Look at the still shots for the pictures of the table uncovered. That is a full cockpit cover which goes on the boat to keep everything out of the sun. Cleopatra lounger to port. Nice stainless windshield. Helm has a Ray Marine GPS chart plotter, temperature, depth, of course, SmartCraft gauges, and the optional Axius system with Skyhook position holding, as well as the Linco auto tabs, which are pretty awesome. Digital throttle and shift, start stop buttons, single lever controls, VHF, and joystick. Inside you get really good space for a 37. This forward area, I can raise or lower that table. I can flip the table out to make it full size for dining down here. It also has filler cushions to make it a bed. There are windows in the whole sides bringing light in. There are blinds for them. There's our main panel, our TV for the salon. Head is to port. Hi there. Basin sink, wood floors, teak in the shower with the toilet stall. Galley to port with another refrigerator, sink, microwave, and a massive mid cabin in this boat. Big, comfortable bed. Nice dresser on starboard. And that's going to conclude our view of this 2015 37 Venture.